A lot of people find it very difficult to share their Google Meet screen when they want to give a presentation in Google Meet. So this video is going to help you learn how you can share your screen on Google Meet with other people in your video call. This video is going to help you learn how to share your screen on Google Meet. If you'd like to share your screen during the video call, click on Present Now. You have this button down here. This button allows you to share your screen. When you click here, it's going to give you this window or dialog box where you can choose the window you'd want to share with the people you are talking to in this video call. So here we have three tabs. We have the Chrome tab, which is the web browser I'm using right now. So if you have a number of tabs showing here, they are all going to appear in this Chrome tab. Then we have the window. This window shows the windows that are opened currently on your PC. So all these windows are active. Which window do you want to share? Do you want to share any of these? If you want to share any of these, just select the window you'd want to share, then press enter. That is going to share the window with the people in the presentation, and that's how you start the presentation. Then there is also an entire screen option. If you want to share the entire screen with the people you have on your Google Meet chat video call, this is where you'd come. When you come here, you're going to see only one screen, which means the entire screen. All the windows that are going to be opened during the presentation, they are going to be viewed and seen by everyone in the Google Meet video call. These are the three tabs that you should be aware of. Now, when it comes to you sharing the screen, this is not where you end. You have to select the screen. When you are, for instance, here, you select the screen that you want to share, then you press enter. For instance, let's go with this one. I want to share the downloads folder. When I press enter, this is going to start now showing the things that I have in my downloads here. The presentation is going to appear here, and also your name is going to appear here. And also the people who you have in this meeting, they are going to see everything that you are showing in this presentation. That's how simple it is. Just select the screen that you'd want to share, then press enter. Google Meet is going to share the screen with the people in the video call. Maybe it's a PowerPoint presentation that you'd want to share. You can just open PowerPoint with the presentation that you created, and people will be able to see the screen you are sharing with them in the video call. When you're done giving your presentation, just click on this button again. When you click here, you're going to see stop presenting. You can click there to stop the presentation and you go back to the normal view. So this is how you can simply share your screen on Google Meet. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please leave a like on this video, subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, and share this video with people it might help. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.